Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to dive into one of my favourite topics, herbal teas and drinks to support your liver cleanse. When it comes to detoxifying the liver, certain herbs are incredibly beneficial, and incorporating them into your daily routine as teas can make a big difference in your cleanse journey. In this video, I'll share some of the best herbs for liver support, how they work, and why they're so effective. Plus, I'll explain how you can easily prepare these herbs as part of your daily routine. So let's get started. First of all, why herbal teas? Herbal teas are a fantastic way to naturally support your liver. They're not only soothing and hydrating, but many herbs contain compounds that help detoxify, protect, and regenerate liver cells. Drinking them throughout the day ensures that you're continuously supporting your liver's detoxification process. So let's talk about some of the best herbs for liver health. First of all, dandelion root. Now, dandelion root is one of the top herbs for liver detox. It helps stimulate bile production, which aids in breaking down fats and eliminating toxins. Dandelion is also rich in antioxidants, making it ideal for protecting liver cells. Here's how to prepare it. Add 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root to 2 cups of boiling water. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes and strain it. Then you can enjoy it as your daily tea. And then there's burdock root. Now, burdock root is another liver supporting herb that helps detoxify the blood and improve lymph function. It's great for cleansing the liver and promoting overall digestion. Here's how to prepare it. Boil 1 teaspoon of burdock root in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain it and drink once or twice daily. Turmeric root. Now, turmeric is packed with curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce liver inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Turmeric also promotes bile production, aiding digestion and liver detoxification. And here's how to prepare it. Add half a teaspoon of organic turmeric root powder to hot water, or mix it into a plant-based milk for a soothing golden milk. Now, you can also combine it with black pepper to boost curcumin absorption, and you only need just a pinch of black pepper. Now, pau d'arco. Pau d'arco bark is known for its antimicrobial properties, making it excellent for supporting the liver by reducing the toxic load caused by infections or gut imbalances. It's also a strong antioxidant that helps protect the liver from damage. And here's how to prepare it. Steep 1 teaspoon of pau d'arco bark in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes and drink once daily. Marshmallow root. Now, marshmallow root is soothing for the digestive system and can help protect the liver by reducing inflammation. It forms a protective layer in the gut, which can prevent toxins from entering the bloodstream and overloading the liver. Here's how to prepare it. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried marshmallow root in cold water for 4 to 8 hours, then strain and drink. This cold infusion method preserves the herb's natural properties, and it has a mucilage effect as well, which is soothing for the gut. Now, wormwood is commonly used in parasite cleanses, but also has benefits for liver health. It stimulates digestion and bile production, which helps the liver process fats and eliminate toxins. Here's how to prepare it. Add half a teaspoon of wormwood leaves to boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes and strain. Drink in moderation as wormwood is potent. And just to make it clear, that's 2 cups of water. Now, neem leaves. Neem leaves are powerful for detoxification and help reduce the liver's toxic load by purifying the blood. Neem also supports the immune system, making it a great addition to any cleanse. Here's how to prepare it. Boil 1 teaspoon of neem leaves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink once a day. Cascara sagrada. Now this is an amazing herb. It's a natural laxative which helps to ensure regular bowel movements during a liver cleanse. This is crucial for eliminating toxins that the liver has processed. However, use it sparingly to avoid overuse. Here's how to prepare it. Steep 1 teaspoon of Cascara sagrada bark in boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink occasionally during your cleanse. Sage leaves. Now, sage leaves are beneficial for liver health due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Sage can help support digestion and reduce liver strain caused by poor gut health. And here's how to prepare it. Add 1 teaspoon of dried sage leaves to 2 cups of boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes and strain and enjoy once a day. And then ginseng root. Now, ginseng is an adaptogen that helps the liver cope with stress and boost energy levels, which can be helpful during a detox. It also supports liver regeneration and improves overall vitality. And here's how to prepare it. Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried ginseng root in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and drink daily to boost liver function and energy. Now here's some other helpful drinks for a liver cleanse. Now, while herbal teas are great, there are other drinks that you can incorporate to enhance your liver cleanse. Lemon water. Now, drinking lemon in water with each morning helps stimulate bile production and kickstarts the liver detox. Beetroot juice. Now, beetroot supports liver function by increasing liver enzymes. Now, that aids detoxification. You can blend it with carrots or apples for a liver boosting juice. Now, cucumber water. This refreshing drink helps keep you hydrated and supports kidney and liver function. So these herbal teas and drinks are not only nourishing, but also provide your liver with the support that it needs. And this will help your liver detoxify effectively. So incorporating herbs like dandelion root, burdock root, turmeric, and others can make a real difference in your cleanse. Now, if you're interested in sourcing these organic herbs, head over to naturalworkshops.com. But before you start any detox, please always consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any medical conditions or you're pregnant or breastfeeding. If you're interested in finding natural solutions for maintaining good health, I'd love for you to come and join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and we have fantastic discussions on well-being and natural health discussions. So have a look at the description below and you'll find the link there. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss on any of the upcoming content on natural health. And don't forget to join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. So for more tips and support on your wellness journey, click that link below. So be happy, stay healthy. Thanks again for watching, and always be wise.